How to fix Discord's unable to accept friend request problem. Well, the first thing you have to make sure is you are not temporarily suspended on Discord. If you are, there's nothing I can do to help. But if you're not suspended on Discord and you're still facing this issue, check your Wi-Fi. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi also causes the issue, so try to fix that. And even after doing that, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is close your Discord, and over here under search, you want to click on it and write run. Once you search for run, it's going to show up over here at the top. Click on it. Over here, just write percentage app data percentage and click on OK. From here, just open up your Discord folder and delete this cache folder. Once you delete it, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, I will suggest you to open up a browser, and on your browser, just search for Discord support and click on the first option. From here, you just want to click on submit your request. Over here, you want to choose help and support. From here, you need to enter your email. Whichever email is linked with your Discord account, just enter that. And from over here, you just want to scroll down and click on general question. And over here, you just want to write unable to accept invitation link like this. Once you write it over here, scroll down and just describe your problem. Like, hey, Discord, my friend is sending me invitation link, but I'm unable to join it. It just shows me error again and again. Can you help me fix it? And you can describe it in way more detail than this as well. Okay, and then just click on submit, and for 2 or 3 days keep checking whatever email you entered over here. Discord is going to contact you through this email. Okay, hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.